forget to press the bell button. Okay, in today's video I'm going to create this simple festive look. Since Karthikai is around the corner, I thought of sharing this tutorial to you guys. Okay, I would like to tell you something that I'm not a professional makeup artist, so please do ignore if I do any mistakes. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my face, I'm going to be using the Mama Earth Oil Free Moisturizer. Next, for the lips, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena lip balm. Next, the primer. I'm going to be using the Purple 24K Gold Primer. Next, the foundation. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beach. Once after the application is done, I'm going to blend them using my foundation brush. Once the blending is done, I'm going to conceal my face. For concealing, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Light Medium Beach. Next, to set my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Next, the eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Duo Shaper in the shade Grey. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the variant Rose in Air. First, I'm going to get done with the transition. Next, the crease. Next, at last, I'm going to give the shimmery look. Overall, I'm going to create a copperish brown look. On the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be using the gold shade. Then on my lower lash, I'm not going to be using kajal. Instead of that, I'm going to use the brown eyeshadow. And for the lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York mascara. Then for my lip shade, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Color Sensation Creamy Matte in the shade New Nuance. Next, the blush. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild again in the shade Melon Wine, which goes good with my eyeshadow and my lipstick. Next, the highlighting part. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Moon Glow Lights. At last, I'm going to set my makeup using the Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. Okay guys, and that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on social media handles like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Until next time, stay happy and stay positive.